Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be giving you a precise insight into how to use functions and formulas in the Excel sheet. I'll also dive into how to professionally design your Excel workbook. I believe this video will help both beginners and advanced level learners to have a fair understanding in Excel. So let's begin with formulas. Formulas are really integral parts of Excel, and they just make our works easier and faster in many ways. Before I go into formulas, I'll probably try to introduce something to you. So these are called columns. These are called rows, and we have this cell here. So every cell corresponds to a particular letter A, B, C, D. And so if you want to get let's use some formulas here. If you want to use the count, for example, if you want to know the numbers of the elements here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we'll do equal to count. So let's do count, and I will count from, this is our B2 cell through B7, right? So B2 through B7, and close the bracket, and that should give me 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are 6. There are 6 numbers here. It's not the only one way. There are multiple ways to do that. For instance, if I do just like count, and if I drag it down here, and if I do that, that also give me the 6 elements. Also, if I want to do like equal to count, and if I just go here, B2 through B6, and if I go to sum, that should give me also the number of the elements. So let's do one example with the average. Let's find the average of these values here. So average, probably it should be sum equal to, okay, equal to average, and we'll get the average from B2 through B7. So B2 through B7. Close the bracket. Close the bracket, and that should give me the average of these numbers. Again, we can find a different way. Equal to average, just drag it down from here to here, and let's put it. This also give me 15,000. So also one more way, as I said before, you can do it from here, then go here, then summation. That should give me also 15,000. Let's know how to get the median. Again, to find the median, it should be also equal to, so let's find the median. See, the formulas are embedded here. So if you just insert a letter, the system automatically recognizes corresponding values for it. So let's get the median, B2 through B7. Okay, close it, and this is our median. Again, you can do it in a different way. Median. Okay, and let's drag it down from B2 through B7, and that should give me 14,000. Let's know how to get the minimum value. If you want to get the minimum value, let's go minimum. So let's see how to get the minimum. So equal to mean. So you want to get the minimum value from B2 and B7 or B6. B7, right? B7. Okay, what's the wrong here? Let's see. So minimum value, we have an extra bracket here, so let's fix it. So this is the minimum value. We took care of one bracket. If you want to get the maximum value, let's go. So we should use the max, equal to max. This should give me the max value here. We want to get B2 through B6. Alright, and close the bracket. That should also give me the maximum value. So this is the maximum value. and if you want, we got average also. Let's see what else can we do. If you want to get the deductible salary, for example, if you want to get 10% out of it, let's make it bigger. You can just make it bigger from here, it doesn't matter really. So let's see our equal to sum. So we're trying to this is b2 divided by 10, right? Close the bracket. That should give me 1000. In fact, 1000 is 10% of 10,000. And if you want to get the net salary, we will just subtract 1000 from 10,000. How do I do that? This is b2, this is c2, right? So if I subtract c2 from b2, we'll get the net salary. Please note that we don't necessarily have to do it here. You can also put it here. So for example, sum, let's do c2 minus b2. Okay. Oh, it should be other way around. It should be b2 minus c2. So it should be b2 minus c2 minus c2. So it's 9,000. Okay. So if you wanna, for example, if you wanna do fill it here with the currency, and you can do it. It it fills it out automatically, and so they're really pretty helpful for you to understand how formulas work in Excel. Let's do one with concatenation. For example, if my first name is Mohammed and last name is Islam, right? Okay, and I'll concatenate it. So equal concatenate okay, so it comes automatically. So I'll concatenate. This is our age corresponding to age 16. It should be age 16 colon, and another one is I16. So I16. So close it. If I do this, so my name now comes out automatically. It's concatenated now. It is now not connected. It's now connected. That was separated before. Now it's connected. Fill feature in Excel has definitely saved our time. Please note that the formulas are embedded here, so you don't have to do it every time. For example, we got 10% deductible salary in here, but you don't have to do it every time. What you have to do is just drag it down. If you drag it down, that should do it automatically. Pretty easy, right? And if you want to do it here, just drag it down. That should work for you. So you don't have to do it every time, because the formula embedded here that takes care of the rest. Autofill also can be helpful in many other ways. For example, if you want to say like January, if you want to say the month, and you don't necessarily have to write every month, just drag it down. That should give you all the months. And for example, if you wanna work with year, so 2001, 2002, right? So I'll just copy both of them, and I'll just drag it down. That should take care of everything. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 6, 7. For example, if you want to put the name of the day, Monday, and I don't have to do it every time. Let's drag it down. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If I want to do like January 1st, January, or January 1, then 2001. Okay, I don't have to do it every time. Just drag it down. So that should give me everything. And if you want to put the numbers, you can do it also from here, like 10,000 or 1,000. Just drag it down. That should give me all 1,000 here. But you have to maintain a format here if you want to get the consequent. For example, if it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, so the Excel automatically understand that the subsequent number is going to be 3 4 like that. So in that case you have to copy both of them, then scroll down 4 5 7 because I have a space here, that's why there is no space. So this is a really pretty easy and cool thing in Excel to be able to work in autofill system. Let's now focus on how to style the cells. MS Excel has many fantastic ways to style the rows and columns. This is a very important in a business environment to style the cells because the styling can evaluate business performance. Before we kick off, let's insert one more row here. So insert, we'll go insert. So we'll do entire row. Okay, so that gives our new row. Let's name it salary sheet, for example. Okay, now we want to center it, so we'll take it down, drag it, the margin center, that should take care of it. Now it comes to a center point. Now let's see if we can style the cells. For example, if you wanna style this one, let's go here and style the cells, and we can put the color accordingly as we wish to. And this one we can also do for that one. Let's do this for this one. You can also take care of this one accordingly. Let's go here and let's put this one. And if I don't want all of them, if you want to take care of it and if you want to bring it back to a normal, we'll again go back there and just bring it back to a normal. There are a couple of ways you can do it. There are like default ways which has been factory set up by Microsoft Excel, but you can also adjust it and format it accordingly just by going here. For example, if you wanna format it, if you don't want to use the format they have given to you, you can just come in here, then go here, then also you can change it from here. Then if you also want to change find a name or anything and you want to replace it, for example, if you want to replace Martin or Ali with, for example, Muhammad, so replace all. So all done, we made one replacement, so we no longer have Ali here, we have Muhammad here. Okay, so there are typically so many things you can do by formatting the cell styles here. I want to give you a hint into graph, bar chart and pie chart because they are very important in business environment and academic environment to be able to draw a graph, pie chart and bar chart. Let's start with a graph. So we have the values here, these are the years and these are the values. So if you wanna draw a graph of this, I'll just copy it, go insert, then I have a chart here and 2D line. So two-dimensional line should give me the year is one side and there is the numbers. Please note that you can also change the select data from here, whatever if you want to put in here, like the names of the, if you want to do the entries differently, you can do it from here. At the same time, if you want to change the style of the chart or graph, you can do it. There are so many ways because you have been given samples different ways here. And if you want to change the, for example, if you want to change the vertical or horizontal axis, the data, you can do it from here. Just change it from here, primary horizontal, that should give me the title. And if I go to primary vertical, that should give me the data to put in here. So let's talk about how to draw a bar chart. These are the values I have been given. For example, these are the names and these are the age. I'll just again go here. Now I'll just go to insert, and I have options here to draw the bar chart. So I'll go here, and that gives me the bar chart. Okay. So as I said, for the legendary options, I can choose it from here, and I have so many styles to have a choice from. and if you want to change the styles horizontal and vertical, I can do it from here. And let's do one more example with pie chart. Okay, so if it is like these are the elements that, for example, a particular country gets the revenue from 20, 15, 15%, 10%, whatever it is. So these are the revenue that a particular country gets. If you want to get a pie chart out of it, I'll again go, I'll just copy it, insert. Now this time I'll go to the pie chart and I'll do the pie chart. So this gives me pie chart. So many options there are, so I can have a choice it accordingly, and I can put the data accordingly. Also, if I want to format it, I can do it. If I want to edit it, I can do it from here also. Please keep posted by subscribing at my channel. I will appreciate any kind of comments, like, and suggestions to improve the tutorial. And thanks for your time spent watching my video. Now I'll see you in next tutorial.